57, the Esplanade. Oh my god, it's been replaced. Oh my god.
Doors are closing.
Of course they got more shitty MP lifts.
This lift is moving up.
Why'd they get more MP lifts? Like, so inefficient. No, I don't even find that good either. What a crappy
Floor 6. Doors opening.
Oh, that was efficient, right?
Doors are closing. This lift is moving down.
Oh my god, it takes so bloody long to start moving. It's ridiculous. This panel though, it's like really nice colour. I don't mind those buttons actually. Build quality? Not very good to be honest. Yeah, that's wobbly as anything.
Floor 1. Doors opening. Doors are closing. This lift is moving up.
So nice at levels.
Doors opening.
I know this still existed. There's Fermator doors. Of course.
Doors are closing.
How long does it take to start moving?
This lift is moving up.
Like 4 seconds after the brake releases. Oh my god. Yeah, build quality is pretty pathetic, but the cab looks nice. I will admit that.
Floor 5. Doors opening.
The cab doesn't looks like it's the gap in the door doesn't look the
Doors
same
are
size along the
closing.
whole side. Like it's not centered.
This lift is moving down.
It's like 4 seconds to move. Security keys. Why don't they get more MP lifts? It's like they have, like they. I reckon FLS would be maintained this
Floor
thing.
1. Doors opening.